everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal, and today we're going to be creating this gorgeous glowy copper look. For the eyes, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and for the face, I use some of my new luminizing glowy products. So I won't go into any more detail because I want you guys to stay tuned and find out how we created this look. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I've already done my morning skincare routine, which is wash my face, tone my face. I put this really nice radiance oil on, and then my Nani Core Organics Nani Radiant Eye Oil underneath my eyes, and then a moisturizer on top. So that is my skincare routine for the morning. To start off this look, I'm going to be going in with the Becca Backlight Primer. And this stuff is really awesome. It says it has like crushed pearls in it, so it gives you a really pretty natural glow. Like if you can see in this swatch just right here. And this is a primer, and it acts as a filter. And this product smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So before I put this on, my face was already a little bit shiny from my moisturizer and the oil that I used. But now you can just see like how insane this primer is. It's so gorgeous. It just like leaves you glowing. If you watched any of my other videos, you already know I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory. So even though I used a mattifying primer, you can still see that that primer is shining through, and it still is giving me a really beautiful glow. I definitely want to get a different foundation specifically for this primer because it's for those days that I do want to be really glowy and kind of dewy in a way. And now I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to use this to outline my brows. Alrighty, now we're just going to blend this in with our flat top concealer brush. So to prime my eyelids today, I'm going to be using the Eyeshadow Primer Potion by Urban Decay. Alright you guys, and now for my favorite part, we are going to be doing the eyeshadow look, and we will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So for my transition color today, I'm going to be using this color Unity right here. And this is going to be like my favorite transition color in this palette. But we're just going to blend this up into the crease. Now I'm going to take this color here called Eden, and I'm going to press that into my transition color. Now I'm going to take this color Sphinx and I'm going to press that onto my lid. Now I'm going to take this color here called Parallel and I'm going to blend this into the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take this color over here called Eternal and I'm going to press this onto the middle of my lid. This is a really pretty copper color. And for my concealer today, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner concealer, and this is in the shade Shell. And I just put a little bit under each eye. And I have been putting concealer in my T-zone to help with my contouring. And I'm putting a little line under my contour line on my cheekbone. And then just right here, my laugh lines as well. Or paint. I'm just gonna start on my chin and work my way up. Now I'm just gonna go get my sponge wet because I like my sponge to be really, really wet when I do my under eyes. And then before that concealer has a chance to go anywhere, we're gonna set that with the Sephora Translucent Setting Powder. For my powdered foundation today, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals foundation in the shade Fair. For my contour today, I'm going to be using my Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to start with my medium contour right here. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Becca Capri Coast bronzer. It looks like this. It's very pretty. And I'm just going to gently blend that onto my cheekbones. And for my blush today, I'm going to be using my Cargo blush, and this just says powdered blush. It doesn't actually have a shade. I'm just going to go in with this and just add a little bit of color to my cheeks. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Sephora Luminizing Drops. And I love these. They're literally so pretty. It just gives you a very gorgeous, natural looking glow. Now I'm going to take my blending shadow brush and I'm going to do outer circular motions and blend this out a little bit here on the end. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to take this color Eternal right here and I'm going to blend that into the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take this color here called Eternal and I'm going to blend that into the bottom of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this color Pyramid and I'm going to blend this into the corner of my eye. Now I just want to highlight my eyes a little bit, so I'm going to take this highlight here out of my Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette, and I'm going to brush this on the brow bone. I'm going to just go right here and right here, just like so. For my mascara, I'm going to be using Perversion by Urban Decay, and they said this is bigger, badder, or bigger, blacker, badder. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using the Natural Lashes by Ardell. And then for our lip today, I'm going to start with the Velvet Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Jenner, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. So this color by itself is just a little bit too like tan orange for me. It just washes me out. But it does work as a good base for other lipsticks. So we are going to go on top with the Smashbox Always On Metallic. And then to finish this look, we're going to spray ourselves with some primer water. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. Alright you guys, here is the finished Copper Dewy look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today using the Anastasia Prism palette. I am obsessed with this palette and I love all these new products that I got. I love this look today. Sometimes I hate like the shiny, like oily look, but this is a whole different ball game. It's like glow from within and it's just like so gorgeous. So I hope you guys liked some of these products that I used today to create this dewy, glowy look. If you are interested in any of these products, they are linked down below, so go ahead and check those out. And before you leave, hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video.